Good afternoon. Today we're here at Miss Karen's Cruze property in 10892 Mayfield Place, Trace Place, Manassas, Virginia. As you can tell, we're right here at her property. We're here to do a video repair on this shingle right here. As you can tell, there's a wind damaged shingle right there. It's a 3-tap shingle, so it starts here and it goes 3 taps over. We're going to begin the repair. So the reason why he's losing those top row shingles right now is because this shingle has nails here, and then the nails that hold this shingle up here are holding this shingle also. So he's losing another top shingles to get those nails too. And once he removes the nails from that shingle, he'll give it a little tug so you can see that it's not coming off. So after removing the 4 nails of that shingle, as you can see, it's still being held by the top row of nails. So now he's going to proceed and remove the top row of nails. And you can also see how those shingles right there are beginning to get granule loss, how old they are. All right, now he took those nails off. Oh, missed one over there. All right, now he got all those nails out. You should be able to pull that shingle out. You can already start to see on the top shingles the granule loss is happening. Just from us trying to get those nails out of that shingle. We're going to use a different color shingle so you can distinguish the old shingle from the new shingle. Now give me 1 second. I'll put this on pause real quick because I'm going to put this on airplane mode because calls are coming in. All right, we're back. Sorry about that. So now he's nailing the old shingle back into place. The new shingle back into place, sorry. That should be all right. All right, so as you can see, after performing the repair, you see how the top shingles get damaged in the process of fixing one shingle. You can see the granules coming off, making a crease on these top shingles from that repair. Says attempt to repair has failed. Recommend a full roof replacement.